In this video, we will show you how to set up your source in the multi-store add-in by FlexStock. Before we start, make sure you have FlexStock installed and activated on your site. To complete setting up FlexStock, watch the tutorial in the I button. From your FlexStock dashboard, click on the Add-on section. Click Get Now on the multi-store add-on. From here, install the add-on. Let's activate the add-on. When the welcome screen appears, click on Set up my stores. Currently, cross-store sync mode is available only, and the independent inventory mode will be released soon in future updates. Click Next to continue. Select Source Store and click Save and go to Dashboard. Click Create Token, then Generate Token. The add-on creates a secure one-time token for this store. You don't have to copy the token here because you can copy the exact token in the end phase of this setup. You can also regenerate another token by pressing the Regenerate button. Click on Save and Continue. Now, you will see that you have 3 sync preferences to choose from for syncing your products. First, you have the All Products option. This will sync every product from your destination store to your source store. Next, you have the Filtered Products option. You can choose which products to sync depending on their category, tags, or attributes. Lastly, you have the Specific SKUs option. Here you can write your product SKUs one by one, with a comma between each product SKU, and the add-on will sync all of them to your source store. For this video, we will select All Products to Sync. Click Save and Get Token. The setup is all done for the source store. Now you can go ahead and set up the connection with your destination store. To watch how you can connect your destination store to your source store, click on the I button here. Multi-store sync for FlexStock. Get started today. It's time to ditch the tab hopping.